Hey YouTubers, Rob Moffat. Guys, do you have a hissing noise when you make videos with your cell phone or your camera? You may have a room full of snakes, but I doubt it. We're going to go over the different reasons you may have a hissing noise in your audio and how I fix mine. Well, I have a Samsung Galaxy, and the hissing noise comes when I film with the camera in the front, but not in the back. Let's stop the hissing noise. For you guys in a big hurry, this is how I stop the noise with my camera. I use a splitter and I put in a lavalier microphone. But let's stop the noise. There, you shouldn't hear the hissing anymore. Let's go over the reasons why you may have a hissing noise in your audio with your camera or your cell phone. One is the room full of snakes, but we already went over that. The second one is software. If you have a camera, or cell phone, you may have downloaded a new version or new software from the company. That sometimes messes with your audio. Now, another problem is if you put in a new app. Now, when you call customer service for your phone in Bangalore and talk to Ted, he's going to ask you all these things. Did you put in a new app? And if you have, get rid of them and see if that solves the problem. You can also change the settings back to factory settings default, see if that helps. Another one that actually is something that might be the problem is you have auto gain on cameras and cell phones. Gain is something that just that controls the sensitivity of your audio, and that's set up with auto gain to where if you have a really loud noise, it will reduce the sound. Well, sometimes that gets out of whack and it's too sensitive and it makes a hissing noise. So if you can just control your auto gain by removing it, that function, sometimes that will get rid of your problem. Now, there's a few people, I did a lot of searching. A few people have mentioned that they think there's a static charge that sometimes gets built up in your phones, and if you can remove it by playing or recording an audio for an hour or more, and sometimes that will like burn off the static charge. To me, that sounds like voodoo. But when it comes to audio interference, there's a lot of voodoo going on. You never know for sure what's happening. But I tried it and helped me out. But it's something simple you could try before doing anything else. The last one is I figured it's just a bad microphone. Now you can replace these if you know how to do it yourself, but it's not too cheap, and you never know for sure if it's the real problem. So what I did is I just bypassed the onboard microphone with a lavalier microphone plugged into a splitter, which is going into the the headphone jack of my Samsung Galaxy. Let me show you the splitter one more time. You're going to hear the hissing noise again. There's a link to this splitter on Amazon in my video description, and the little Neewer microphone that I'm using, cheap one. But the splitter just has two ports. One is for your headphone and one is for your microphone. That way you could use both at the same time. But we just plugged in the microphone to the microphone one. There's a little design there with a microphone. And this is a 3.5 jack that goes into the phone at the end, or it would go into your camera mic jack. So I hope this is something helpful to you. I put in new videos every week. Been doing it for 13 years, got over 800 videos. And I'm going to show you a couple of playlists that'll be up here probably somewhere that you might want to click on to see other videos about making videos and doing videos on YouTube. And I've got a lot of different other types of playlists on my channel too. I do it-yourself reviews, how to repair stuff, food videos, and sometimes just fun things that I enjoy that make people unsubscribe. All right, guys. Hope this was something that helped you and you don't have a room full of snakes. All right. Take care. See you out there.